Hi guys, I'm Nayantara reporting for ET Now, and today I have a big exclusive story for all of you. Pharmeasy. Pharmeasy is India's first health tech unicorn. It recently acquired Thyrocare. You saw an open offer as well. So after that acquisition, we are understanding that Pharmeasy is getting ready for its IPO on Dalal Street. The next question you'll ask me is, how big is this IPO going to be? Well, what we understand from our sources is that Pharmeasy is looking to IPO at a valuation of $6 to $7 billion, which is lower than its fair value of $9 to $10 billion. Why is Pharmeasy doing that? Well, to leave value for investors on the table. That's right. At the time of the IPO, it wants its investors to see more value, and hence that's the kind of valuation we understand from our sources that Pharmeasy is looking at. The demand for this IPO seems to be really healthy and robust. In fact, you have a $200 million pre-IPO round that is on. It's already received bids for $270 million, and this includes from marquee investors like Amansa Capital, which are looking to enter the cap table of Pharmeasy. So that's also going to be interesting to see how it pans out. What sources are telling me is that Pharmeasy may nudge its early investors to look at the secondary sale of shares, just so that it can get the likes of these, blue chip quality investors like Amansa Capital at the cap table. So that's as far as this IPO goes. What we've also understood is the first important decision has been taken with the board of Pharmeasy actually approving the conversion of the company from being private to public. It's a formality, but a very big formality that has to take place, and Pharmeasy in the days to come will be approaching the ROC, that's the Registrar of Companies, with this update. It's also bolstered its board. Typical movement before the IPO, but what's interesting is the names that Pharmeasy has got. So it's got on board the former CFO of Titan, the former chairman of Strides, a former revenue secretary of the government of India. So 5 new independent directors actually being inducted in Pharmeasy's board. But you know what the other update is that I have for you in this exclusive story, which is just so interesting. There are 5 founders of Pharmeasy. They have personal bonuses to make dependent on milestone. And after paying tax, each of those founders will be plowing back into the company their bonus. They're reinvesting their bonus back into Pharmeasy, all 5 of them. And you're talking about a sum of nearly 50 to 75 crores each. What stronger validation than that, right? Where the founders believe that their own money will not earn a better return than in their own baby, their startup, which is Pharmeasy. So it's a real bullish commentary in a sense that's coming in from the founders. This is source-based information, but we do understand that's what's going to take place. The other part, Aditya Puri, veteran banker. He's non-executive chairman of the board, but he's also non-independent. So he's putting his personal credibility online when it comes to Pharmeasy. So all I can tell you is there's a lot that's up at Pharmeasy. The DRHP for its IPO should be filed by the second week of October. That's the kind of timeline also we are picking up.